And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their Tattoo Care Balm. Now this is perfect to protect your skin and for color retention. So somebody like me, I have lots and lots of color in my tattoo. Once my tattoo is finished, this is great to use. And even for like summertime, this would also be great to use. Nothing to really show you around the box, just the sticker there with the name Aftercare Soothing Gel 60 milliliter. The back has a bit of the product features as well as the ingredients. So this product does have 5% lidocaine for pain relief. So the numbing effect will last for 6 to 8 hours and it will help relieve the pain for when you get a tattoo. So let's open this up and look at our tattoo balm. Wow, that is exquisite. I didn't expect it to be so nicely packaged. I thought it'd just be thrown in here, but there's like nice foam in here. I mean, that feels like it's velour. That's very nice. Nothing else for the box. And this here would be your Tattoo Care Balm. So as you see, same little logo and everything. You get 2 ounces here. Love the design of this. And you just screw off your top, and if we were to peel this off, this is the balm here. So we'll put some of this right here. Nice little white color. Very nice. Ooh, smells almost sweet. Like there's not a whole lot of smell. But then you'd literally just rub this into your tattoos. Like I said, if you're getting the tattoo done, the lidocaine will help with the pain. Outside of that, it'll be great aftercare. So once they're done with the tattoo and it's healing for a few weeks, you'd want to use this. And then like I said, this will protect the skin and protect the color. So if you're going out of town on a vacation and you're going to be in a lot of heat and a lot of sun, I'd highly recommend something like this to keep your tattoos looking good. There's like a fresh scent here. I don't know how to describe it. Like really, really clean clothes. It's the best way I know how to describe the smell, but it smells great. Like I feel like somebody would smell that and be like, man, you smell good. But that'll do it for this Tattoo Care Balm. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.